everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to find movies on Crunchyroll. So in order to do that, first of all go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll application. After you do that, you will be initially entered in the home screen of your Crunchyroll application. Now all you have to do is go ahead and tap on that little search icon which is at the top right. After you do that, you will be entering in a search box, so go ahead and search a movie, whichever movie you wanna watch in Crunchyroll. After you're done typing the movie in the search box, you will be entering all the type of movie you want to watch as per your search. So go ahead and tap on it, and then after you tap on start watching, you will be able to watch a movie on Crunchyroll. So that's pretty easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.